Where are interest rates right now? That is everybody's favorite question, as usual. Most of you know how I feel about interest rates, and it's all about the math. However, because it is such a hot topic and top of mind for so many people, investors and homeowners alike, I'm going to take a second and talk to you guys about where we are in the marketplace, interest rate related. Um, my first question is, are you ready? The tides are turning. Yes, it's true. You've seen the headlines, of course. I think that we are on the precipice of seeing some real improvement to interest rates over the next months, 6 months, 18 months, etc. Are you going to be ready to take advantage? If you haven't already begun getting pre-qualified and planning out and mapping out what your goals are for the next 6 months or 12 months, you're going to be at a disadvantage. So do not wait any longer. The time has come. Interest rates are on the run. So if we're talking about non-owner occupied specific interest rates, remember everybody, there's something called an LLPA. What does that stand for? Loan level price adjustment. This is going to be the characteristics associated with the loan transaction that you're looking to secure financing for. This is going to be loan size, loan to value, property type, purchase versus refinance, credit score. All of these different variables are LLPAs, which are positive and negative numbers. Okay, the reason I go into all of this detail is because, like anything, interest rates are not created equal. So we must understand what are the characteristics of your transaction in order to give you an idea of where rates are today. But so I'm going to kind of fill that in. Today is the 27th of August. Okay, so I'm going to fill in the blank. As of this date, at what time is it? It's 5:05 p.m. Pacific time. Here's where a baseline of interest rate would be. We're going to assume the following characteristics. Okay, we're going to assume a purchase. We're going to assume a $200,000 purchase price, a 75% loan to value, single family residence, and a 760 or better credit score. Okay, that should be enough to get us started. This is a conventional rate quote. If you were in that category, you're probably going to be somewhere in your high sixes. I'm going to say 6.75 is probably where you're going to be today, assuming all of those characteristics. And there's probably about a 2-point origination based on that interest rate. For more specific rate quote, you're going to need to call us or email us info@ridgelendinggroup.com, calling us at toll-free 855-74-RIDGE if you want to get that quote and see where your specific scenario interest rate lies so that we can do the math together. But remember, you guys, an eighth of a point, a quarter of a point, even up to a half or more percentage point difference in interest rate may not be as relevant as you imagine it to be. You must be doing the math. I cannot stress this enough. And for those of you that just hear a number and somehow talk yourself into or out of real estate investing, you are doing yourself a great disservice. So please do the math. And if you have any reservations about doing that, let us do the math. That's what we're here for. Give us a call, shoot us an email. We'll be here on standby. Rates are on the run, people.